boss up, boss up, boss up. Your boy
In
boss up
1,000
with
feet, turn right onto King Valley Drive Southeast.
Shut up. All right, so I got an actual Roadie delivery today. I just left the dentist's office on the other side of town.
Turn right onto King Valley Drive Southeast.
So I was like, let me go ahead and turn this Roadie out and see if I can catch me something going back to the house. At least pay for this gas money.
Turn left onto Queen.
And I think
head west on Cooper Lake Road Southeast toward Carriage Path.
Let's go check this Roadie out.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto East West.
All right. So here is the Roadie order right here. So I'm at the order pickup, verify this pickup. How do I do this? All right. Office support, gathering spots. Oh, I gotta drop it off there. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on. We're gonna figure this out. This is my first time Roadie in. We're gonna figure this out. Just picked up 9 gloves. These gloves here on this residential neighborhood, house, whatever. But she said she does this quite frequently, so I'm not sure if they manufacture these gloves or they're actually drop shipping this stuff. How they got a hold of this stuff, but this came from this nice house in this little suburban neighborhood. It's kind of random, but we're gonna take this downtown. It says it is 11 miles away and only paying me $14. Like I said, it's just like I said, I was already 5 minutes away leaving my dentist's office, and just want to catch something going back to the house. You know, this app thing is not really about getting rich all the time. For me, it's about supplementing my income to help me save more than I spend. That's the name of the game. Once I do that, then I have money to invest into bigger things, make passive income. Crypto is a little mini bull run right now, so I'm investing in that. Made some nice returns over the last week. And I do some other things, you know. I'm always busy, guys. Bossing up, trying to get out the 9-to-5 rat race. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you the drop-off spot. And y'all know where the drop-off spot is. Pretty cool little spot, so hopefully I can get to show you where that is. All right, in a minute. At the drop-off location in Atlanta. I'm gonna drop all these 9 boxes of gloves. So let's go. Let's drop off this stuff and get paid and get up out of here. Trying to do this at the same time and record. Ain't no joke though. I'm gonna bring this one box in, check in with the person I'm supposed to check in with before I grab the rest. I really wish I had a cart with me today, but I don't. So that's it, and you know, luckily I had a cart for me, so I was able to move this stuff in real quickly. Yeah, we just dropped this stuff at the gathering spot. You're familiar with Atlanta. They got a couple of spots throughout the country though, but dope little black-owned co-working space, something similar to ECO Suites, but definitely on a larger scale. Much nicer. Love it. Love the vibes. Shout out to Ryan Wilson for the owner of this spot. But yeah, man, this little drop off, man. It's all hustle, man. All hustle, no bustle. Let's get it.